Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh my gosh. Fire the city. Okay, so this is basically our second day of the general turkey season. It's April 30th. We only been out one other time, which was the second day of the start of the season on the 16th. So we came right here after a uneventful morning hunt at the last location, and we saw a bunch of turkey sign here, so that's why we're here to see if they're still in here. But that was 2 weeks ago. So we said that with everything that was going on, baptismals, the wedding, and now come May, we said we're gonna try to hunt as much as possible and try to fill some tags. So this is day one of hopefully a mad turkey rush that we're gonna be going on here. I'm planning on hunting this week, solo hunt, see what I can capture on that hunt, but hopefully we can fill one of Levi's tags today. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we got a bird gobbling somewhere down in there. This is awesome because last time we didn't hear anything. Levi says there's two of them. Is he still on top or did he fly down? Still on top. We might have came too close. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Pretty far. Yeah. Should we go up? Okay. Okay, so we are heading up to the top here. Our first setup didn't work. I don't know if Tom saw us because we were close. But we hear more gobbling on top here. So we're trying to get into position, walking up. So let's see how this goes. Okay, at least we'll get into some action. for it to come close. Take him down. Yeah. Good job, dude. Oh my gosh. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm tired of sitting. I'm sorry. My legs fell asleep. Oh my god, that was freaking awesome. Oh, your nerves the whole time. Oh, I had shot him 100 times. I was like, take him, shoot him. Since the top, he's.
Right here. So I said, once you get there, I'll shoot him.
Awesome, dude.
Like right here, that's where I shot him. Like if you come on, that's where he was strutting the whole time.
Oh yeah, and you're sitting over there on that tree, huh? I was like, just shoot him through the trees, but man, I could see him the whole time. Look, right there. Yes, that is so awesome. We got him strutting the whole time. 21 minutes. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. One tag field. This unit ain't kicking our butts no more. What are your thoughts, dude? You happy? He came in right away, huh? Was he running in? Oh, he definitely was looking at the decoy. Because the decoy is... right there. So he was strutting here the whole time, as you guys saw in the video. And as you saw from my angle, we all probably would have shot him 100 times. But Levi didn't have a clear shot, even though he's made a kill with shooting through thicker stuff than this, but he was patient, and that's pretty cool that he held his composure. I was kind of losing it. I was like, as you heard me in the video, probably telling like 3 times shoot him already. I probably would have shot him as he was coming up here, but man, he did a good display for us.
I'm like, stop studying. I already come with that already.
Picture time. Nice.
So we got up here. What time? Like
5:20.
5:20. We got up here like at 5:20, and we didn't hear any gobbles. Well, that was just like at the front right here, somewhere right here. So we started walking where we saw the sign last 2 weeks ago, and that's when we started hearing gobbles. And then once we got there, one was gobbling right above us or below us. I don't know. It's loud. So we set up, as you saw in the first video, and then he did not come in. So there was another Tom gobbling to the left, about like 250 yards, 200 yards to the left. And then, so we tried to set up on him. He kept going, like, which way is that? South? Yeah, south. So we just tried to cut him off, but we didn't know where he was because he stopped gobbling. And so we went down. It's on this like mesa, like the rim. And then we heard two turkeys gobbling on the other side. So we went up, tried to go after them. Got close on the top of the other side, and they didn't gobble again. Then we came back this way. It was about right here, like 500 yards away. We both stopped and we're like, did you hear one? And then he said, just load the gun. We started coming down and then just started calling. And then he started firing off. But right here, and then so we got to those trees where I shot him from, and we just put the bags there. He set up the decoy, and then 20 minutes later, he's dead. DD dead.
It's crazy how it happened fast, because I had just set up the decoy. Like, not a minute later, Levi said, I see him coming. And according to what Levi said, he was running in. But then as soon as he spotted the decoy, it was full strut mode like you saw in the video. So we are happy. One tag filled. We were just saying this unit, these birds were kicking our butts, but I'm glad that we finally got one down. Levi's filled his first tag. I guess I'm going to buy mine because I'm going to head out on Tuesday. So awesome. I'm so ecstatic. This is awesome. We got great footage. Hope you guys enjoy. Heck yeah. Good job, Jenny. You're looking sexy. You had the Tom strutting for you the whole time. Good job, girl.
Three times, 4 times. 13,
What's your saying, Levi?
30 BBs to the dome.